Are you looking to purchase a residential investment home, but your income is keeping you from building your real estate empire? Well, then this video may change how you look at real estate investing forever. Today, I'm going to explain Barnett Mortgage's DSCR loans in plain English. Now, whether you're a first-time investor or a seasoned investor, this is why these loans exist in the first place. And this message is for you if you want to buy a 1 to 8 unit residential rental property in Colorado, you have credit and some funds to invest, and you don't want your personal income to be the thing that stops you. This video is not for you if you are looking to purchase a primary residence, because DSCR loans, they're only for investment properties, or maybe you're someone who is hoping to purchase a home with no money down. Someone trying to get the DSCR loan is specifically trying to buy an investment property, and they are trying to invest smart. Now, DSCR, it stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio, but don't let the fancy name scare you. Here is the simplest way to think about it. The property qualifies for the loan, not you. Instead of asking how much money do you make, Barnett Mortgage asks how much does or will the property generate in rent. We look at fair market rental income, even if your personal income is hard to document or doesn't tell your full story. That's right. There's no employment information or income required for this product. Now, this is why DSCR loans are a powerful tool for not only first-time investors, but also for seasoned investors. Now, we help investors just like you purchase homes, refi homes, or even pull cash out of the equity in these investment homes. And there's no limit as to how many properties you own, because we work with so many investors, we have countless options. DSCR loans help investors who may write off income on their taxes or are self-employed or W-2'd, but your W-2 income just doesn't support, say, 3 or 4 mortgages at one time. I mean, whose does, right? But traditional banks hate this. And Barnett Mortgage says, let the property do the talking. And that's a massive shift as to why so many investors get started sooner than they ever thought possible. Now, let's bust through a few myths I hear all the time about DSCR loans. Number 1, DSCR loans are no income loans. Not true. They're property income loans. If you're purchasing an investment home, we will ask the appraiser what the fair market rent is, and we will use that fair market rent to help you qualify instead of looking at your income. Number 2, rents are crazy high. Not true. Now, they may be slightly higher than the traditional mortgage, but investors like you really don't care about that because it's all about the cash flow and it's all about the speed, meaning this product is available so you can now start your real estate investment portfolio instead of waiting for years and years down the road. All right. Number 3, this is only for big investors. Wrong. Some of our best DSCR clients are first-time investors. They're buying their very first rental and they're doing it every day. Number 4, you have to have a renter lined up in order to purchase an investment home. Wrong again. You can have us either look at a property that has no lease at all, or a short-term lease like a Airbnb example, or even a long-term lease, say a 12-month or longer lease. It doesn't matter because, again, we have so many options in front of us. But here is one of the latest myths that I've heard. You have to buy the rental property in your own name instead of an LLC. Not true. With our DSCR product, you can purchase a residential investment home using an LLC if you wish. See, here's the part that most lenders just don't tell you. Most DSCR deals, they fall apart because the rent was either estimated incorrectly or the lender didn't underwrite upfront, or maybe they had only one DSCR option, not several. But that's where investors get burned, and that's where fear around investing usually comes from. But at Barnett Mortgage, we do all of this a little bit differently. We shop multiple DSCR lenders, and that's why we have so many options for you. We start with underwriting on day one. It's underwriting that is looking at your file to see what is realistic and what isn't. And they do this before you even go under contract. We do stress testing of the numbers so that there are no surprises once you do find the right property. See, our job isn't to push you into a loan that is less than beneficial for you. Our job is to help you decide if this even makes sense to add to your real estate portfolio. See, sometimes the best deal is the one you don't do. Now, if you're serious about buying a residential rental property here in Colorado and you want to know whether this DSCR loan product fits in your situation, well, the next step is simple. Simply click below to schedule a quick meeting with me here at Barnett Mortgage. We'll talk about your scenario. I'll give you a free quote so that you can see what is realistic for you. It's no obligation. It's no pressure. It's just clarity so that you can decide what your next move is with confidence. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to hear your story.